Alright guys, here we go. Final break of the night. 15-16 Excalibur basketball, 5 box, random teams, round 32. Congratulations again to Jaybird and Macho H. They won spots in the 14-15 Immaculate case when joining this one. Good luck, everybody. Nice. Six packs. Might be one of the most annoying boxes to open right here. Three, four, six. Alright, there we go. We got them all. What's breaking next? This is the last one for the night. See Booney. This is my last break of the night. Be back live tomorrow in the afternoon around 4:30 Pacific, 5 East, 4:30 or 5 Pacific. It's getting close to my nap time, so I can put my sentences together. Are those points? Wow, points in Excalibur. That never happens, but it just did. 150. Okay. Here we go. First hit is Steph Curry. Jersey piece, the Warriors. Puddles of Doom. Justin Anderson for the Mavericks. Rookie Rampage jersey autograph going to Andrew FN24. Jam Fest number to 70, Sean Kemp. Sonics and Thunder, DJ Tricky. Red Crusade, Steve Nash on the Suns. Blue Crusade, Mike Conley, the Grizzlies. And then an autograph of Ben McLemore, the Kings. 275, Fatillo Philippi. To 25, Tyus Jones. Alright, got a purple, number to 60, John Stockton, the Jazz. SD Boltman. Dante Exum for the Jazz, numbered out of 199. SD Boltman. Number to 70, Miles Turner, silver rookie, the Pacers. TG Cardman. Raul Neto, the Jazz, red. Emmanuel Mudiay, patch for the Nuggets, number 22 of 25. Nice three-color or four-color looking patch there. Eagle Eye 82 with the Nugs. We got a Gold Crusade. Good luck. It is Kobe. Beauty. For the Lakers and TG Cardman, number 3 of 10. Kobe Gold. Jimmy Butler Blue. Walt Frazier for the Knicks, numbered at a 165. What's up, Dana? How are you? Lloyd with the Knicks. Spud Webb to 70 for the Hawks. That's box 2. Sean Kemp, red. RJ Hunter, rookie rampage for the Celtics. And Jaybird. Andre Drummond to 70, the Pistons. DN13. Kobe jersey. TG Cardman. Tony Parker blue. George the Iceman Gervin, number to 300, San Antonio Spurs. And Pac Nico. Monte Ellis, purple, number to 60, the Pacers, TG Cardman. And Ryan Anderson for the Pelicans to 225. 1-1. Stockton to 70. Kevin Martin for the T-Wolves at a 299. Bruce Banner. Brooke Lopez for Brooklyn to 70. Jeez. To 25, Tyreek Evans. Just ran out of the little tiny penny sleeves here. Kobe Blue Crusade. Trey Burke for the Jazz. Number to 199. SD Boltman. Couple of Jazz hits. Raul Nato for the Jazz. Number to 60. Purple rookie. Carmelo Anthony, the Knicks. Lloyd. Robert Covington, red for the Sixers. Last box. Dolph Schayes for the Syracuse Nationals. Going to go to the Sixers at a 277. That is He Hate Me. Avery Bradley, red. Jerian Grant for the Knicks. Rookie Rampage. Lloyd Tambala. Klay Thompson to 70. Dominique Blue. Luis Montero for the Blazers. Number to 299. DN13. Bojan Bogdanovic for Brooklyn to 70. Another Melo jersey. Jeez. The Knicks. Lloyd. And an Anthony Davis purple for the Pelicans. 1-1. And that's going to wrap it up Nothing major. Nice gold Toby in there. One patch card of Moutier. Let's random off the points real quick. Wow.
Not you. It sounded like that.
No, I know you. 3 more times. Good luck. Oh, let's see on the teams. Points 1, 2, and 3. Points go to the Nuggets. Okay. Sure. And that's going to do it, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.